If you only want to find threads and not all posts, there's a way to do that too. Right now I'm in the What's New tab, and I'm going to pick someone who is not a moderator. Let's say Mark Muir. I come up to search. Notice this box here. It says search titles only. That will give you only the thread title. And then Mark, you see Mark Muir, and I click on search, and the only thing that will give you is the threads that were started by Mark Muir. The advanced search has the same option in it. So you would put Mark Muir in, and I want threads only, and I'm going to leave keywords blank. You come up with the same results. Now that's to search for only threads that are started by a member.